In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download the Into the Backrooms mod pack from Minecraft. This is a horror-style mod pack that's been really popular lately. If this video helps you, consider subscribing to the channel. The first thing you need to do is open a new tab in your preferred browser and go to Google. Once you're there, search for CurseForge, exactly as I'm showing here. Then click on the first result. Make sure you're on the correct website, which is curseforge.com. For those who don't know, CurseForge is a desktop application that makes it much easier to install mods for various games, including Minecraft. To install CurseForge on your computer, once you're on the official website, click on Get CurseForge App and then select Download Standalone. You can also download the Overwolf version, but I personally prefer the standalone version. After clicking Download Standalone, the installer will be downloaded to your computer. Just double-click the file, which you can usually find in your Downloads folder, and follow the installation steps. First, choose your preferred language. In my case, I'll select English and click Next. Then, choose where you want to install CurseForge, accept the terms and privacy policy, and confirm that you are over 18 years old. After checking the box, click Next again, and the installation will begin. Once the installation is complete, CurseForge should open automatically. If it doesn't, just open it manually. Inside the app, you'll see a menu on the left side with a Minecraft icon. If Minecraft doesn't appear, click on the plus icon, select Add a Game, and scan your computer. This should detect Minecraft and add it to CurseForge. If it's not found automatically, you can add it manually by clicking Manually Add a Game. Remember, you need to have Minecraft installed on your computer for this to work. After that, click on the Minecraft icon. At the top, you'll see several tabs like My Modpacks, Discover, Browse, and Servers. In My Modpacks, you'll find the mod packs you've already installed. To find the Into the Backrooms mod pack, click on Browse. Then, in the search bar labeled Search for Minecraft Projects, type Into the Backrooms and press Enter. The first result should be the official version of the mod pack. Right now, it has around 900,000 downloads, but that number may be higher by the time you're watching this. To make sure you're downloading the correct version, check the number of downloads. The one with the most downloads is usually the official one. Click on the mod pack, and you'll be taken to its page. In the Overview tab, you can see the description, commands, and even videos from YouTubers who have played it. To install it, just click the orange Install button. Then go back to My Modpacks, where you'll see that the download has started. Wait for the download to finish. Once it's done, the mod pack will be ready to play. Whenever you want to play it, open CurseForge, go to Minecraft, click on My Modpacks, select Into the Backrooms, and hit Play. Minecraft will launch automatically. Just wait for it to load, and you're ready to play. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like to support the channel.